This is an example of a schematic symbol for a single pole double throw or SPDT switch. It has 3 pins, pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3. Right now, pin 2 is connected to pin 1. But if you click or toggle the switch, pin 2 is now connected to pin 3. And if you toggle again the switch, pin 2 is connected again with pin 1. In Breadboard Simulator, SPDT switch is depicted by this symbol with the corresponding pins pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3. If we toggle this switch using the interact button of the Breadboard Simulator, the red square transfer to this new position, which implies that pin 2 is now connected to pin 3. If we toggle again this switch, then this red button will transfer here and pin 2 is again connected with pin 1. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell button for awesome updates. Thank you for watching!